Pre-moistened pads make it easy to effect quick cosmetic and hygienic touch-ups to eyes, ears, and teeth. Formulated to safely and effectively remove plaque and tartar buildup and control bad breath. Easy to use, no rinsing required. Also available in ProEye and ProEar formulas. Featuring exclusive formulas for eye, ear, and dental care, pre-moistened top performance cleansing pads make it easy to effect quick cosmetic and hygienic touch-ups to eyes, ears, and teeth. Top Performance ProDental Cleansing Pads safely and effectively help to remove plaque and tartar buildup and control bad breath. Top Performance ProEye Cleansing Pads remove dried mucus secretions, discharge, and tear stains, reducing the risk of eye irritation and itching caused by foreign matter. Top Performance ProEar Cleansing Pads help to remove wax buildup and discharge, and minimize the risk of ear infections. Precautions. Not intended for human use. Do not allow pet to ingest. If ingested, seek veterinary aid immediately. Keep out of reach of children. Ingredients: purified water, polysorbate, glycerol, propylene glycol, peppermint oil, diazolidinyl urea, methylparaben, propylparaben, sodium hydroxide, 20% chlorhexidine digluconate. Directions for use: thoroughly and gently wipe tooth surfaces and around gum line with dental wipes to remove food residue and plaque. Use twice a week to clean teeth, help control bad breath, and help reduce the risk of gum disease. Unique formulation requires no rinsing. Recommended for pets only. Top reviews from the United States. Money worth. You brush teeth? Your puppy also need it. This is love. Easy to use, cheap, good produced quality. And I find my puppy teeth very clean and no piling enamel ginger kind.